ओम क्रीम 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 ह्रीम 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 हुम 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 दक्षिण कालिके क्रीम 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 ह्रीम 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 हुम 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 स्वाहा। माँ दक्षिण कालिके नमः। प्रसन्न वरदो भव, प्रसन्न वरदो भव, प्रसन्न वरदो भव। वेलकम टू सिद्ध साधक परिवार। Before sharing any spiritual practices or techniques, we want to clarify our objectives. Through this channel, we aim to uncover our endangered Vidyas from our Vedas and Puranas and apply it to modern times. So, let's begin today's chapter. Today, in this episode, we are going to discuss about Siddh Suryatva Sadhana and we will give the correct path to perform this sadhana. Before going for sadhana, you all recite with me. I bow down before Lord Aditya, who has 1,000 hands representing for rays emanating from his divine form, and I bow down before Lord Varun, who holds a lotus in hand. O Lord, you are omnipresent and omniscient, and without you, life cannot exist. You are present in every life form existing on this earth. As you know, the whole life system on this earth survives due to the vital life energy of the sun, called Surya Dev in Indian scriptures. In fact, sun is a manifestation of the ultimate power, the Param Brahma, and is a unique confluence of divine powers and radiance which is capable of making a person total in respect of all the four essential aspects of life: dharma, artha, kam, and moksha. And all living beings, whether gods, humans, animals, microorganisms, or plants, depends on the energy from the sun in order to subsist. All the realms of the solar system exist and thrive due to the energy received from it. Hence, the sun is an incomparable source of vital life energy. If you go for Padma Puran, it has been expounded that a person is absolved of all sins by the darshan or the glimpse of Suryadeva at the time of sunrise, and he can attain salvation by worshipping the sun. Brahmins, while carrying out Sandhya, raise their hands and thus worship the sun. As you know, history of India reveals that much stress has always been laid on the worship of sun, and several temples have been raised in his honor. Even in other countries, sun has been worshipped for ages. Temples of sun have been found in Iran, Afghanistan, Egypt, Greece, and many other countries. Among the 9 planets in astrology, sun is the most important sadhana. Of sun promises fame, respect, power, and success to the sadhak. By performing the sadhana of Surya Dev, all elements and evil planets' effects are also vanished. A person may be afflicted by any congenital diseases, yet if he accomplishes the Divya Suryatva sadhana, he is sure to be cured of ailment forever. In fact, this sadhana is the best to attain a healthy and disease-free life. Now, we will discuss the sadhana procedure. Before commencing the sadhana, procure a Divya Surya Yantra. On any Sunday, get up in the Brahma Muhurt. It is 4:30 a.m. to 6 a.m. and go up to your terrace or some open place where you can see the sun rising. You should arrange for sweets and fruits, a banana leaf, red sandalwood paste, vermilion and flowers. Then what to do? Wash the place where you intend to carry out the sadhana. Lay down the banana leaf on the floor and on it draw a circle with vermilion and place the Surya Yantra in the circle. Apply a mark of red sandalwood paste on the yantra and offer the sweets, fruits and flowers before it. Fold your hands and bow down before the sun and pray to him like this. O Lord, you are pure, sacred, and the preserver of the whole world. You are the life force present in all life forms, and you are the protector of all life on this earth. You are vanquisher of all elements, all diseases, darkness, sorrows, and poverty. You are the best friend in the world, and you always keep a vigilant eye on all life in this solar system. Hence, O Lord, please vanquish all disease present in my body and bless me with a healthy life. After speaking out these words, chant the very powerful Siddha Surya mantra 108 times with a Spatik rosary, sitting before the yantra facing morning sun. And the powerful Siddha Surya mantra is Om Ghrani Suryay Fat. Om Ghrani Suryay Fat. After chanting the mantra, offer water to the sun god. The righty way to do this is to take water in a copper tumbler and stand facing the rising sun. Then slowly pour out the water into the ground before you with your eyes directed at the sun. After offering water, pick up the yantra and touch it to the disease affected parts of your body. Continue this practice every day till the next Sunday. If you cannot do the sadhana in the open place, the yantra in a sacred place in your house and perform the ritual. One most important thing is before commencing the sadhana, one should worship his own guru and chant at least one rosary of their guru mantra. The water offered to the sun god should contain the articles like holy water of Ganga, honey, unbroken rice grains, red sandalwood paste, milk, curd, and a red flower. One who interested to perform this divine sadhana, our email ID is mentioned in the video. You can contact us and we will guide you and deliver you the things to be used in this sadhana at your doorstep. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel as much as possible to join us. That's it for today. Om Krim 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 Hrim 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 Hum 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 Dakshina Kalike Krim 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 Hrim 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 Hum 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 Shwaha Ma Dakshina Kalike Nama Prasanna Varado Bhava Prasanna Varado Bhava Prasanna Varado Bhava. Jai Siddha Sadhak Parivar.